So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a shutoff valve and 2 water connectors. When we got here, the homeowners reported they have water all over the floor and all over the stand. Water heater's pretty old, but you know, it's working, so just leave it alone. Up here, we know the water was dripping here through the old connector. It was a copper connector, and so we've replaced that. Also, when we put it back together, the gate valve that was up there, the packing nut was gone, and so it was dripping on that side as well. You got a little bit of damage on the wall, not too bad though. It looks surface. Doesn't look like you have any health issues to be concerned about as far as mold goes, things like that. So just leave it until the next time, you know, you do a water heater replacement. At that point, you can pull that off of there and maybe do something with the wall. So that's a quarter turn on. That's a Watts full port ball valve. So quarter turn on, quarter turn off. And then a brass connector over to, these are Falcon stainless steel connectors. So these are a full 3/4 inch inside diameter down to both sides, hot and cold. So water's back on. We did let you know that this water heater may or may not be accurate as far as this dial goes. This is approximately 120 degrees based on the age of the water heater. It may not be heating the water to that temperature, but they had it set to hot. We can't turn it back up to hot for risk of scalding, and we'd be liable for that. So feel free to adjust this. Once you burn 40 gallons of water out of here, it's going to heat back to this temperature. If that's not enough, go ahead and feel free to turn it up a little bit or to the next notch. You know, if you turn it up to hot and it's providing the water that you need, then it just means there's a lot of debris and it's not heating that water to the desired temperature, or there's something going on with this controller right here. But anyways, we're going to leave it right there. Water's back onto the home. Hot water's working correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.